Okay, guys, if I could have your attention, please. Thank you. Apologies. Once a fortnight, we'll try to do our best in this environment. Yes. Yeah, well, we didn't work it out for today, did we? Well, I'll do it for Friday. How's that?
Yeah, but any breaks from here?
Okay, that's fine. And we're recording now, so let's do the lesson. So, when you put, we're talking about investments. Okay, when we talk about investments, try to do it straight. I'm still getting like used to this thing. Anyway, when you put money into an account, all right, the idea is you want it to increase. And so that's the idea of an investment. You put money somewhere in such a way that it will grow. The amount of money that you put in will not just stay the same. That's why people don't bury their money in the ground. It may be safe, but it doesn't increase. Whereas if you put money into a certain types of account, superannuations, or if you put it into property, you might buy a house and hope that the value increases. You might buy some expensive artwork from famous artists that gets more valuable over time. All these things are investments, and the idea is the value, the investment, you want it to appreciate. All right? You want it to increase. That's what the word means. Appreciation in this context is not that I appreciate you. It is rather that it increases in value eventually. So that's the goal when we have appreciation, when you have an investment. Okay, so there's all sorts. You can invest in shares in a company. You can invest in jewelry if it's expensive. You can invest in books because you can look at first editions and books they get. Oh, you can invest in musical instruments like a $6 million violin or whatever you want. Okay, so Stradivarius, or like the professional, very top level professionals. Okay, so that's the idea. You're looking and you're hoping that investments increase. Of course, there's risk associated with it. You can get into talking about risk. And the greater the risk in an investment, the more likely that you're going to get a good return because you're taking more. There's more likely it may fail as well. So you hear all these stories about it failing. So let's have a look. A $240,000 investment increases in value by 17%. What is the new value of the investment? Okay, so again, this is basically just a percentage question. There's two ways. I'll do it this way. So 17%, oh, you're finding 17% of 240,000. That's 240,000 equals, Brandon, find this for me, please. Equals yep. $40,800. All right, so that's how much the investment adds on. That's 17% of 240,000. Okay, but the total investment is the two together. The increased value here plus the 240,000. So we need to do that. So 40,800 plus 240,000. Right. And that is going to be $280,800. Okay, so you can do a concluding sentence like final value of that investment is $280,000 and 800. Okay? Any questions? Just increasing a percentage. Nothing too strenuous. All right, and so then if we go down and have a look at the second example, we say, well, an artwork increases in value from 4,500 to 6,200. What is the percentage increase? Okay, so similar question, just a slightly different method of doing it. So we have to find the profit in dollars. Right. profit in dollars. So profit in dollars is the difference in value. So 6,200 minus 4,500. And that is equal to what, Ella? You don't need a calculator. 1,700. Okay? So that's the profit in dollars. $1,700 is the profit in dollars, right? The thing is, we want it as a percentage of the original price. We want it to increase in price. So what we need to do is, well, we have to find 1,700 as a percentage of 4,500. We're going to go ahead and do that. 1,700 over 4,500. Let's scroll down a bit. I'll go back to it now. Okay, times, we need to multiply by 100, it's a percentage, and that is equal to, Cal. 3,000, 37 point. What is it? 37.8%. 37.8% to one decimal place. All right, so our conclusion is the investment increased by 37.8%. All right, when it goes up from that much to that much, that's how much it increases. Yes, I can. Just give me 2 seconds. Okay, so are there any questions about that? Basically, the first thing is we're just going to quickly do this exercise. Exercise 3.9, just thinking about investments, building, reducing, increasing, appreciating, depreciating, as the terminology says. All right, so I'll go up now, just stop recording and carry on with it.